Hi, this is Dr. Maida Gilani, and today we're going to do a procedure on Myra. And the procedure we're going to perform is called GeloPro. It is a amino acid replacement therapy, and it is a biorevitalizer for the skin. It rejuvenates the skin, treats your fine lines and wrinkles, treats your dark circles, acne scars, and pigmented areas, and overall improves your skin tone and clarity. Okay, so how to perform GeloPro treatment? It basically comes in this type of form, and it is filled with amino acids and hyaluronic acid, which is the booster for the skin. So what we have to do is we have to mix these both things together and make it a mixture, and we inject it in the form of mesotherapy. And it's very minor invasive procedure, and it's painless, and you get a lifted, nice, clear skin without any scars and pigmentation. And it is very good for dark circles, to treat your fine lines and signs of aging, nasolabial folds, very starting of the aging process. So it reverse your aging. Total 3 to 4 sessions are required for this. And first 3 sessions we do after every 10 days, 10 to 15 days, and the last one is the booster dose, which we're going to perform after 3 to 6 months. So for 1 year you're going to get 4 treatments, and then enjoy your skin. So anyone who is above 20, anyone who is above 20, 21, they can get treated. And
Hi, this is Dr. Suhail Nasir. I'm a general dentist at Samay Dental and Aesthetics. Let's talk about scaling and polishing. Scaling is a procedure in which we remove calculus that will cause tooth damage and gum disease. जो scaling के बाद आपकी rough surface बन जाती है tooth की surface के ऊपर, उसको हम smooth करते हैं. That is called polishing. Let's talk about the myths regarding the scaling and polishing. A lot of people come to our practice and they say कि हमारे दांत जो हैं वो weak हो जाएंगे, या हमारे दांत हिलने लग जाएंगे, या over sensitivity का problem आ जाएगा इसके अंदर. तो let's make your minds clear, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. ठीक है. So what it does is it basically cleans your teeth, it cures bad breath, that is halitosis, it gives enough strength to your gums and teeth, and fourthly it's a hygienic process. So I'll recommend you guys to get your scaling and polishing done every 6 months, or as being told by your dentist. Thank you.